Is your aloe vera looking a little unhealthy? Maybe it's time for a soil refresh. Stick around to learn how to give your aloe the boost it needs without stressing it out. If your aloe vera has been in the same pot and soil for a long time, chances are the nutrients have already been depleted. Aloe vera plants are hardy, but they still need healthy soil to thrive. If you've noticed slower growth, it might be time to refresh the soil. The most common way to do this is by adding fertilizer or replacing the soil altogether. If you choose to replace the soil, here's a simple method. First, gently slip the plant out of the pot. Be careful not to damage the roots. Once the plant is free, remove the old soil from the bottom and trim any exposed or unhealthy roots. This step will encourage the plant to develop fresh, healthy roots. This method also works great for taller aloe vera plants if you want to keep the same pot. You don't always need to switch containers, especially if the current one still has enough space. Just focus on refreshing the soil to provide new nutrients for the plant. After you've removed the old soil, place the plant back into the pot and fill the space on top with fresh, well-draining soil. This process reduces the stress on your aloe vera, so it won't experience stunted growth and it should bounce back quickly. Also, keep in mind that aloe vera plants don't need heavy feeding, so make sure not to overload it with fertilizer. Aloe vera plants thrive on a balanced, well-aerated medium that doesn't retain too much moisture. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching. This is Danny, and I'll see you in the next video.